In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add totals to a title in Tableau. Whether you're presenting data to your team or crafting an informative visualization, knowing how to effectively display totals can enhance the clarity and impact of your presentation. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Tableau desktop application. Once you have it up and running, navigate your way to the worksheet that you're currently working on or planning to use. This is your workspace where all the data magic happens. Now, look at your data fields on the left side of the screen. Here you will need to drag category and subcategory over to the rows shelf. This action will list each category, allowing you to compare subcategories within them easily. Next, locate the profit field in your data pane and drag it to the text shelf. By doing this, you're setting up your worksheet to display profit values as text within your visualization. Moving on to filters, find the ship mode field and drag it onto the filters shelf. A dialog box will appear. Select first class from the list. This will limit your data visualization to only show products shipped via first class. Next, drag order date to the filters shelf. Once you do so, a prompt will ask you to filter by date parts or time. Choose years and then select a desired year from the options provided. This keeps your data relevant to a particular time frame, aiding in meaningful analysis. Now, to bring calculations to your worksheet, click on the Analytics tab located on the upper left. From there, drag the Total option onto your sheet. A menu will appear. Select Column Grand Total. This will display the grand total for the columns in your data, adding a comprehensive numerical insight into your data set. Next, navigate to the Analysis menu at the top and select Create Calculated Field. This is where you can define specific calculations. Give your calculated field a relevant name and enter your desired query or formula. When you're satisfied with it, go ahead and click OK, adding this new field to your data pane. This new calculated field needs to be included in your visualization, so find it in your data fields and drag it to detail on the marks card. It's becoming part of the intricate data story you're weaving. Now, double-click on the title header of your worksheet. A text box appears, allowing you to edit your title. In this text box, type in the new title. Make sure to incorporate your calculated field with the desired text to ensure it displays the total you've worked so hard for. Once you're satisfied with your text, click Apply and then OK. And there you have it. You've successfully added totals to a title in Tableau, rounding off your data story with clarity and precision.